Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to draw these cute ghost doodles. So get your things ready and let's draw them together. Okay, so I'm using this art book and this marker pen and a highlighter. I'll make 20 cute little ghosts. It's very easy and fun. Let's start now. Now we can begin with our first simple and friendly goals. It's very easy to draw. I'm making his eyes, cute eyes. Let's go for the second one. It's easy too. I'm making hand and eyes with cute smile. And this sweet ghost is holding a balloon, looking like it's about to float away. It's full of love and happiness, ready to spread love. Let's go for the third one. Okay, now I'm going for the third one. I am making some clips and a row. Guys, if you are new here, then subscribe my channel and like the video. It's hanging on a clothesline. It's a ghost who just chilling out and relaxing. It's enjoying a little break hanging on a clothesline with its arm out wide. Doesn't it look so peaceful? It's looking so cute. Another tiny ghost I'm making, and he's holding a tiny knife in his hand. It's complete. He has a very cute smile and eyes. I'm making a little heart, small blush on his cheeks. It's time for the fifth cue to I'm trying the body shape of the ghost. This one is super easy to make, so I hope you all try it. His tiny hands and some blush. Now let's draw sixth ghost. Mm, His hands, eyes, ghost with its pet cat on its head. This is such a cute duo. And his two tiny friends. Let's go for the seventh one. It's very easy. He's holding a heart like this, and it's completed. It's so easy. It's time for eighth one. These ghosts are so easy to draw, and I am starting my new doodle tutorial series with them today. I wanted to begin with the easiest doodles, and these cute ghosts are the perfect choice for my video. It's a very simple one, and it's perfect for a quick doodle. So here is a ghost couple, and they look so happy together, and you can see the love between them with that little heart doodle. Oh, so cute. Now look at this tiny ghost. He's holding a little cup, making his eyes a cute smile and a small head, and looks so happy. I guess even ghosts need a coffee break. Let's go for the 13. The little ghost has some tiny friends. It's playing with a few cute butterflies and it looks so happy. If you are learning to do this from me, please let me know in the comment sections, and also try drawing these doodles yourself and share them on my community tab. I can't wait to see how cute your ghost doodles are. This ghost has horns on his head. Let's go for the 15th doodle. He's holding a cute flower on his hand, and I'm making his eyelashes some blush. It's looking super cute. Now we'll draw this ghost holding a little bouquet of flowers. These flowers are very pretty. It's about to finish. Now let's draw this round and happy ghost. It has a big bouncy bottom that makes it look extra cute. Look at this cheerful ghost making a cute bow. Now I'm making a sleepy ghost. It's holding its favorite pillow and seems ready for a nap. So cute and sleep. Okay, we have almost finished. Let's cover the last two doodles. Now I'm making the second last ghost. This ghost is holding a paintbrush. Look at this little artist. And for our very last doodle, we have a little magic ghost. It's wearing a wizard's hat and looks so happy. And that's it for today's doodles. I hope you had fun following along with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon guys. Take care.